How to create Snapchat filter. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can make a Snapchat filter, which is also called as geo filter, to add custom designs to snaps for a specific location or event. So in order to create a Snapchat filter, you need to design your filter first. You can use design tools such as Adobe Photoshop or others like Canva or Snapchat's templates. Remember, the guidelines is that the size must be 1080 by 2340 pixels and vertical. Use a transparent background PNG file and do not cover the center of the screen so that there is room for selfies and captions. And it's use simple, easy to understand graphics or text. Now you can go to Snapchat Create website. For that, go ahead and open your Chrome application. Now search for create.snapchat.com. You will be taken to Snapchat Help. Now you can tap on any of the topics below, like creating lenses with Lens Studio, using lenses on Snapchat, using lenses with Snap Camera, using filters, business filters. This will give you the list of articles. You can use the lens tool in Snapchat if it's available in your country. And then you can upload your PNG file or create a design using the Snapchat tools. And then draw the geofence. This is the area where your filter will be available. You can set the dates and times when the filter should start and stop being available. Snapchat charges for on-demand filters based on size of the camera and the time if it's available. You can review your order and pay. Snapchat will review your filter usually in about a day, and once it's approved, it will be active in the area and the time you choose. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.